Hey guys, if you struggle to use a formula, then this video is perfect for you because I'm going to explain a formula with very simple example and you'll be able to use a formula efficiently after watching this tutorial. Let's dive in. In this simple example, I have three columns: employees, their score, and bonus. So in the bonus column, so if anyone score more than 50, then the company will allow the bonus to that employee. So I will use a formula to find out if someone's score is more than 50 or not, and we need to give bonus or not. So formula start with is equal to if, press tab. First one is logical test. Logical test is if this cell, which is the score cell, greater than this cell, which I have the required score, and then I will press F4 to fix this score, which is the target score, and then comma. Second one is value if true. If the score is more than 50, then what should be appear in the bonus column? So I want to have like yes. Yes, it means employee is eligible for the bonus. Comma. Second one is value if false. What if the criteria doesn't meet? If someone's score is less than 50, then I want to see no in the bonus column, so I'll know that employee is not eligible for the bonus. So close up bracket. So first one is your condition, which is the score should be greater than 50, and then second one is what if the score is more than 50, then it should show yes, and if score is less than 50, then should show no. Press enter. Now first one is showing yes because score is more than 50, which is 60. And if I want to copy this formula, just drag from the bottom when this plus sign appear, and it will apply the formula for rest of these rows as well. So David, yes, Gary is no because score is 40, and then yes and yes. When I change the criteria, for example, if I change it to 65, it will change its result as well. So this is how you can quickly use the if formula. Let me know guys if this formula is helpful. I'll see you guys in next video.